Well, this is still Live a Light on the Hard Way on Nilotic Gate. And here is a motivation of the day. Life is ironic. It takes sadness to know happiness. Noise to appreciate silence, and absence to value presence. We human beings only realize what happiness is when sadness has come. We also only know how somebody was good only when you're not near the person. And we appreciate that silence is good when we detect that noise is already around us. It is just like the song from the other guy, When You Let Her Go. Only know you missed it. Only know you've been feeling high when you're feeling low. You only hit the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. You let her go. So when we let certain things go is when we realize that that thing was good. Even the shoes that we wear on our feet. At times, when the shoes become old, if that shoes get lost when we are not yet ready to buy another one, that is when we will get to realize that the old shoes that we were longing for a new one was very important. That's how ironic life is. Thank you.
You'll be safe to feel our grace. We won't make mistakes if you have lost your way.